Hi everyone! Today we are going to show you how to draw an airplane step by step. Grab a pencil and paper and let's get started. Step 1. Drawing the fuselage. Draw a horizontal rectangle in the middle. Now, shape it up by making the right end a bit narrower. For the cockpit, add some curves on top. Step 2. Drawing the wings. Draw the left wing first. Add a short line below the fuselage, then draw a diagonal rectangle. Erase any lines that crash into the left wing. Step 3. Drawing the stabilizers. Draw a sleek diagonal rectangle for the vertical stabilizer. Then, slap on some horizontal stabilizers below. Before we continue, take a second to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Details about our products and services are in the description below. Step 4. Drawing the cockpit window. Draw a curved rectangle at the front for the cockpit window. Pilots gotta see where they're going, right? Smooth curves, erase any hiccups. Step 5. Drawing the windows. Sketch small squares along the fuselage, freehand or ruler style. Step 6. Drawing the jet engines. Draw 2 semi-ovals under each wing. These are the jet engines. Smaller ones for the right wing, and there you have it. Step 7. Adding clouds. Zoom in for clouds. Not too close, though. We want them in the background. Your airplane's cruising through the artistic sky, surrounded by those fluffy clouds. Step 8. Coloring your drawing. Grab your coloring supplies and go wild. Different colors for different parts of the plane, maybe some gray for rain clouds. We hope you enjoyed learning how to draw an airplane. The more you practice drawing, the better you'll get. And don't forget to check out the video description for more on our art tutorials and services. And let us know if you have any other vehicle requests. Thanks for watching.